The impacts of COVID-19 on South Africa's long-term development have been devastating. One of those major concerns is how it has affected students and education, as we are now living in a bizarre new normal. With over 2 million children countrywide not having returned to school after lockdown, and many more suffering from anxiety and depression due to these uncertain times, now more than ever, we need a learning platform that provides learners with the online and on-site learning assistance suitable for all ages and levels of education. With over 21 years of existence, Ibanga Academy has always adapted with the times to ensure students and aspiring entrepreneurs are equipped with the best educational solutions that develop and guide you towards a successful future filled with great opportunities. Our short, certificate and diploma courses all serve to educate and empower. These courses will increase your credibility and prove that you have what it takes to get the job done. With our wide variety of accredited courses and provider programs, you'll have that much needed extra boost to help you find a good job, improve your skills, and get promoted. We offer various kinds of diplomas from graduate to postgrad and advanced diplomas. Graduate with confidence, as you'll now be fully equipped with the skills and knowledge to succeed and excel in any chosen field of study. Land that dream job, or succeed in turning the vision of building your business into a reality. Visit us today at www.ibanga.co.za to get started on your new journey towards a better tomorrow.